Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I found the absolutely ultimate camping lantern that I could ever wish for. So when I first got this telescoping lantern from Outask, I was like, okay, it's a nice light. But then I started exploring all of its features, and I am still completely blown away with how versatile this light is. Not only do we use it when we went camping, but I find that I use it all the time around our house and our farm. This has a magnetic base that's really strong. You can attach it to the side of your car, underneath your hood, really anything that's metal, and it holds really secure. This pops into a tripod and is telescoping, so when it's on the ground, it comes to just underneath my waist, and I'm 5'4". This rotates up to 720 degrees with stereo lighting. Yes, that's right, you can light up any angle that you want. Not only that, but it also has emergency beacon lighting. You can have the light be white or warm, and it has 3 different settings for those. It starts off dim, gets bright, and then like ultra bright. It is amazing. Just when you thought that's all it does, it's also a power bank. This also comes with a 1200 mAh battery, and let me tell you, it lasts so long. I've even used this when I'm doing content creating and need extra light. I feel this light is an absolute necessity to have, not just in my home, but also when we camp, in my car for emergencies. I need one in every single color, and so do you. And that's my point of view.